Children, welcome you in chemistry class. Children, you have studied about atom and Dalton's atomic theory. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atom is indivisible particles of matter of substance which take part in the chemical reaction. So, what is the atom? According to Dalton's atomic theory, that is, atom is indivisible smallest particle of matter which take part in a chemical reaction. But latest research of atom has proved that atom is not indivisible particles. So latest research on atoms has proved atom is not indivisible. It means atom can be divided. Atom is made of three subatomic particles. So, modern research have proved that atom is not indivisible, atom is divisible, atom is made up of three subatomic particles. So, which are the three subatomic particles of which atom is made of? These particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. These are the three subatomic particles: electrons, protons, and neutrons. So, atom is made up of these three subatomic particles. Who discovered these subatomic particles? Children, Sir J.J. Thomson discovered electron, and he told electron is negative charge particles. So, electron was discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. Proton. It was discovered by E. Goldstein. And neutron was discovered by Chadwick. Neutron. It was discovered by Chadwick. So, where Dalton told atom is the indivisible particles, and now modern scientists Goldstein, Thomson, and Chadwick, they have proved experimentally that atom is made up of three subatomic particles, and these three subatomic particles are electron, proton, and neutrons. So, after the discovery of these three subatomic particles, and their Rutherford discovered nucleus, and he told these proton and neutrons are found in the nucleus of the atom. These two are found in the nucleus. Therefore, proton and neutrons together are called nucleons. Nucleon. So why they are called nucleon? Because they are found in the nucleus. So which particles are called nucleon? Proton, positive charge particles, and neutron, neutral particles. These two particles are found in the nucleus, therefore they are called a nucleon. So children, clear to you? Proton was discovered by Goldstein. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. And nucleus, where proton and neutrons were found, that was discovered by Rutherford. An electron was discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. So after the discovery of these subatomic particles, they proposed modern atomic theory. According to the modern atomic theory, atoms are divisible. Dalton has told atoms are indivisible. Now atoms become divisible. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed, told by Dalton, but now atom is destructible. Destructible. Atom is destructible. Atom can be created, atom can be destroyed. Atom is divisible and it is made up of 3 subatomic particles. These 3 subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. So children, Dalton told atoms of the same elements are alike, but here atoms of the same elements may not be alike, as it was seen in the isotopes. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen are protium, deuterium, and tritium. They differ. They have different mass number, but their atomic numbers are the same. Like this, chlorine has 2 isotopes. Carbon has 3 isotopes, and they differ in their mass number. So atoms of the same elements may not be alike, and atoms of the different elements may be alike. So children, this was the modern atomic theory, and modern atomic theory was proposed by Sir J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, Chadwick, Goldstein, after the discovery of subatomic particles of atom.